In this Kai review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to make Quora-like Q&A websites in just 60 seconds. They're claiming that it's making them $497 a day. I'm going to be telling you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Kai, just make sure you click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, ready to build your own authority, high income website in no time. Turn 8.5 billion daily Google searches into automated profits with your own AI-powered Quora-like Q&A website in just 60 seconds. It says, Kai instantly pulls the most searched questions from Google and Quora, generates detailed SEO-friendly answers, monetized with affiliate links and banners, to drive nonstop traffic, and which makes us $497 per day. Okay, so first thing out of the way, I don't believe at all that they're making $497 per day doing this. I would have to see so much proof in order to believe that. I have to see the actual site, the income. I do not believe it. That doesn't mean that you can't create these Quora type sites. It doesn't mean it's not an interesting idea. I just don't want you to think that that's going to happen. Now, it is showing that people are getting paid with Quora. It's like this person here says that they got paid $100 from a Quora post. This guy, Marcus, said he got paid $4,000 from answering questions on Quora. And then Mike Bastille says $100 a day. I don't know if I believe this one, but anyways, there's ways of making money by answering people's questions. People are always asking questions, and that's the whole idea of the Quora website. So the idea is that you can make your own Quora-like website and monetize it. And if we go down through here, it looks like it has AI-powered content. With this, it will manage the content for you. Live chat integration, SEO optimization. Step 1, access. Step 2, activate. Step 3, profit. Wouldn't that be great if that actually worked? This is all made up, by the way. Like this is like that stuff is just designed to sell you something. It's not real proof based upon this product, not based upon this at all. So just be aware of that. So let's go down here. If you decide to purchase this, you get access to all this stuff right here. And there's looks like some kind of an upgrade that you can add on here. I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Oh, before I do that, let me just show you. If you move your mouse away on the sales page, a discount pops up. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, let's go over and take a look at that demo. I'll be back in a sec.
Did you know that there are over 8.5 billion searches done on Google daily? That's right, billions of people turn to Google every single day, looking for answers to their questions. And guess where a significant portion of that traffic ends up? Quora! Most times, when people ask Google questions, they're directed to Quora, the massive user-generated content platform that has become a go-to source for answers and insights. Here's why Quora dominates Google traffic. Google prioritizes fresh, user-generated content because it's dynamic, unique, and relevant. Platforms like Quora have leveraged this to build massive authority, attracting millions of visitors and billions in revenue. Here's the shocking truth about Quora. Quora alone is worth over $2 billion and attracts 300 million active users monthly. But here's the kicker. Quora doesn't even create its own content. Most of Quora's revenue comes from ads placed on user-generated content their users create for free. What if I told you that you could replicate their exact business model, building a fully automated, high-traffic, and monetized website without writing a single word? You heard that right. With just one click, you can now own a site that pulls top-searched questions directly from Google and Quora, generates SEO-optimized answers for every question, monetizes content with affiliate links and banner ads, and drives non-stop traffic from 8.5 billion daily Google searches. Sound impossible, not anymore. Introducing QAI, the world's first AI-powered app that creates Quora-like authority websites in just 60 seconds. QAI isn't just another website builder. It's an AI-powered platform that creates, manages, and monetizes a high-authority traffic-driving Q&A website, all on autopilot. With QAI, you can launch your site in just 60 seconds. No coding, writing, or SEO knowledge required. Automatically populate your site with trending questions and answers from Google and Quora. Monetize your content instantly with pre-integrated affiliate links and banner ads. Drive consistent, targeted traffic without spending a dime on ads or SEO. Why is QAI a game changer? Let's start with this simple fact. Platforms like Quora thrive because Google loves fresh, user-generated content. Every day, 8.5 billion searches are conducted on Google, and millions of those searches lead directly to Quora pages. Why? Because Google prioritizes sites with unique, dynamic content. And now, with QAI, you can create a platform that Google loves, one that builds authority, drives massive traffic, and generates consistent revenue. Here's what QAI can do for you. Instant website creation. Build a fully functional Quora-like website in just 60 seconds. AI-generated content. Automatically pull the most searched questions from Google and Quora and generate detailed, engaging answers that rank effortlessly. Built-in monetization. Embed high-converting affiliate links and banner ads into every piece of content. Endless niches. Create sites in any niche. Health, finance, tech, lifestyle, you name it. Effortless scaling. Manage multiple sites from one dashboard and grow your empire without lifting a finger. Imagine this. You set up your site once, and QAI takes care of everything else. No writing, no SEO struggles, no paid ads. Just a self-running website that pulls in traffic, engages visitors, and makes you money while you sleep. Thousands of people are earning big and driving non-stop traffic from platforms like Quora. Christine made $23,760 in 30 days. The Hopless Geek generated 1,149,090 post views. Marcus got paid $4,369.07 with one answer, and Mike Vestal makes $100 per day from Quora. Now it's your turn, and the best part? With QAI, there's no need for technical skills or prior experience. If you can click a button, you can build a high-authority, monetized website. Getting started with QAI is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, click the button below to grab QAI at a one-time price. But hurry, this offer won't last long. Step 2, log into QAI. Select your niche and let the AI handle the setup. Step 3, watch as QAI creates your site, pulls trending questions, generates answers, and embeds monetized content, all in 60 seconds flat. Here's why QAI is 16 times more powerful than any other platform. It combines advanced AI technologies from Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI into one seamless system. It doesn't just create a website, it builds an authority platform that Google loves to rank. And unlike other tools, QAI handles everything from website building, content creation, to traffic generation and monetization. And the best part? You can create a website in any niche and any language with just a single click. Imagine owning a platform that works 24/7, a platform that drives traffic automatically, a platform that generates passive income day and night, a platform that requires zero effort from you. That's
Okay, so this is what the back end of the software is going to look like. Actually, like this, and an actual site made with this. Here's an example one. It looks like, how to say, habits. This is an interesting thing coming up here. Let's look at another one. Ecom. What are the difference between AliExpress? I mean, you can, and there's so many, I mean, all kinds of stuff. Every type of question: health questions, finance questions, leadership questions, emergent technologies questions, like all these different things. People are looking for answers. People have questions about them. And this type of content can rank in the search engines, and it looks like they're monetizing it with like ads on the side. It's an interesting idea. I like the idea, but again, the hype is a little much. There are multiple upgrades. First one is an unlimited upgrade, so you can remove all limits on your account. Make sure you move your mouse away and get a $20 discount off of it. Again, I make less as an affiliate, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it, as always. Next one is they're going to set it up for you. Again, move your mouse away and get a $200 discount off that one. Then there's an automated version of this. Move your mouse away and get a $20 discount. Then they've got one, it's like an add-on to make more money with it. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Then they've got one where you can instantly blast your AI videos with never-ending free buyer clicks. So it looks like you can send video traffic. I'm not quite sure. Anyways, move your mouse away to get a discount. Then they've got another one here where underground affiliate campaigns, you know what to do. Then another one, it looks like a mobile version. Then they've got, it looks like a resale license. And the last one is a done for you site. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Kai and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, as always with these hypey products, I don't like saying the $497 a day with the site, blah, blah, blah. Show real income proof. Don't show that kind of stuff. It's not, we're done with it. We're sick of it. What do I like about this? I think it's a neat idea to create a Quora type site, especially using AI to create the content for you. It's a neat idea. So if this is something that you'd like to do, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Kai review. If you'd like to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Thanks.